Whereas we are going to start trigonometric equations. Find the principal solution of the following trigonometric equation. Cos theta equal to root 3 by 2, sin theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. Third, tan theta equal to minus root 3. Solution. First, given that cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Since we know that cos theta is positive in first and fourth quadrant, therefore cos theta equal to cos pi by 6 or cos theta equal to cos 2 pi minus pi by 6. Or you can write cos theta equal to cos pi by 6 or cos theta equal to cos 11 pi by 6. Implies that theta equal to pi by 6 or theta equal to 11 pi by 6. Therefore, principal solutions are pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Now second, sin theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. Since sin theta is negative in third and fourth quadrant, therefore we can write sin theta equal to minus sin pi by 4. This implies that sin theta equal to sin pi plus pi by 4 or sin theta equal to 2 pi minus pi by 4. Implies that sin theta equal to sin 5 pi by 4 or sin theta equal to sin 7 pi by 4. Implies that theta equal to 5 pi by 4 or theta equal to 7 pi by 4. Therefore, principal solutions are 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Third, given that tan theta equal to minus root 3. Since we know that tan theta is negative in second and fourth quadrant, therefore tan theta equal to minus tan pi by 3 implies that tan theta equal to tan pi minus pi by 3 or tan theta equal to tan 2 pi minus pi by 3. Again, tan theta equal to minus tan pi by 3. Tan theta can be written as tan pi minus pi by 3 or tan theta equal to tan 2 pi minus pi by 3. Implies that tan theta equal to tan 2. When you solve this term, you will get 2 pi by 3. So tan theta equal to tan 2 pi by 3 or tan theta equal to tan 5 pi by 3. After solving this bracket, 2 pi minus pi by 3 is 5 pi by 3. This implies that theta equal to 2 pi by 3 or theta equal to 5 pi by 3. Therefore, principal solutions are 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Question number 2. Find the principal solutions of the following equation. Sec x equal to 2, cot x equal to minus root 3, cosec x equal to minus half. Your sec x equal to 2, second is cot x equal to minus root 3 and cosec x equal to minus 2. Solution. Given that sec x equal to 2 implies that cos x equal to 1 by 2. Since cos x is positive in first and fourth quadrant, therefore cos x can be written as cos pi by 3 or cos x equal to cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. Cos x equal to cos pi by 3 or cos x equal to cos 5 pi by 3. After solving this bracket, 2 pi minus pi by 3 is 5 pi by 3. Therefore, principal solutions are pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Second, given that cot x is minus root 3, this implies that tan x equal to minus 1 by root 3. Since tan x is negative in second and fourth quadrant, therefore tan x equal to minus tan pi by 6 implies that tan x equal to tan pi minus pi by 6 or tan x equal to tan 2 pi minus pi by 6. When you solve this bracket and this bracket, here you get 5 pi by 6 and here you get 11 pi by 6 implies that x equal to 5 pi by 6 or x equal to 11 pi by 6. Therefore, principal solutions are 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Now come to third. Given that cosec x equal to minus 2 implies that sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, sin x is minus half, sin x can be written as minus sin pi by 6, and since sin x is positive, since sin x is negative in third and fourth quadrant, therefore sin x can be written as sin pi plus pi by 6 or sin x equal to sin 2 pi minus pi by 6. After solving this bracket and this bracket, you will get sin x equal to sin 7 pi by 6 or sin x equal to sin 11 pi by 6 implies that x is 7 pi by 6 or x equal to 11 pi by 6. Therefore, the principal solutions are 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Now, general solution of the trigonometric equations. First, if sin theta is 0, then this implies that theta equal to n pi, n is an integer. Second, cos theta equal to 0 implies that theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to z. Third, tan theta equal to 0 implies that theta equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Fourth, sin theta equal to sin alpha, this value is other than 0, then this implies that your theta is n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, n belongs to z. Fifth, cos theta equal to cos alpha implies that theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, n is an integer. Sixth, tan theta equal to tan alpha implies that theta equal to n pi plus alpha, n is an integer.